Hello everyone, welcome back to our SQL 30-day series. In today's session, this is day 16, we are going to learn the update statement in SQL. Okay, so that the single update statement in SQL, single and multiple columns update with examples, we are going to learn it here. So this is one of the most important commands because it allows us to modify the existing data inside our tables either in a single column or in a multiple columns at once. Okay, this is my SQL workbench. I have it here. So I have a database called students. So now I'm importing a data set which I have created it. So that is the students records.csv. Click on the next, again the next, then finish. Okay, so once it's done, so you have to refresh it so you get a student records data set here. So in this I have only the four rows here. Okay, Rohan, Meera, Arav and Ria. All right, so what we have to do here is now we want to update the city of student Ria from Delhi to Hyderabad. Okay, so this is the student Ria, we have it, and she's from Delhi and I want to update it to Hyderabad. Okay, so here let's delete this query and I'll be writing it update student records set city equals Hyderabad, enter where name equals Ria, RIYA, where name equals Ria. Okay, enter it here. So now when I run, you may get an error here. Okay, so here it says one row is changed here. So if you get an error here, like you are in a safe mode, so what you have to do here is you have to go to the edit preferences, click on the preferences, go to SQL editor, scroll down, and here you have to untick it. Okay, now click on the OK here. Let me run. Okay, then let us open the column here. So now you can see for the Ria it was Delhi, now it has been updated to the Hyderabad here. Okay, so this is for the update operator we have done. So now we can update a multiple column. So how do we do that? Let's write in the query here, update student records, enter set grade equals B. Okay, comma city equals Pune, Pune, enter where name equals Rohan. Okay, so here we go. Now delete this. So let us run here. Now open your table. So here you can see the Rohan. It was grade A at initially. So now it's been changed to the grade B, and the city was Delhi. Now it's changed to the Pune here. So in this way you can update the multiple columns here. Okay. So then after that, let's see, let us import one more table here. So let me delete this. So what I do, I'll just delete this the student records table. Okay, and I will upload one more table here that I have it in the products.csv. Let me open it, click on the next, next, next again, and the finish here. Okay, so let me refresh it. Now let us open it here and look at it. So here we have a four rows here. That is 101 product ID, product name, brand, price, and the stock we have it here. Okay. So now what I'm gonna do here is, so for example, let's say we have this is a table, right? Products tables we have it. So the company decided to increase the prices of the iPhone. Okay, so here we have an iPhone 14. So now it's 85,000. You can see the company has decided to increase the price of iPhone 14 to 89,000. Okay, so and update its stocks to 25. So let's write the query here. The stock should be updated to 25 here instead of a 30. Okay, so let's write the query here. So for this, update products products enter set. Okay, price I'm giving it as equals 89,000. It's, you can see it's 85,000 now, so I'll be giving it a 89,000 comma, and the stock equals 25. Okay, so here where product name is my iPhone 14, right? Equals iPhone 14. Okay, let me open the brackets here. So this you have to give it inside the bracket. So this is done. Then we will be running it here. Okay, let us run. So here we go. So here you can see the iPhone 14 Apple 89,000 and the stock has been changed here. Okay. So it's updated with the new values which we have given it. So friends, that's how the update statements works in SQL. If you want to update just one column, you simply use a set column equals value. If you want to update the multiple columns, you can add more values in the set clause separated by commas, and also remember to use the where clause carefully, otherwise your query will update all rows in the table. I hope this session helped you clearly understand the concept of updating single and multiple columns in SQL. In the next video, we'll continue our journey with more exciting SQL series. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. So until then, keep learning, keep growing. Bye bye.